Enjoy this exceptional quality new construction Nelson Design Group floor plan with main level master and guest room. It's the details that count in the kitchen with quartz, stainless custom vent, stainless Frigidaire professional series appliances including fridge and touchless faucet. The kitchen overlooks 2-story breakfast area and family room with wood beam accents. Master bedroom offers whitewash coffer ceiling that leads into master bath with cast iron claw foot tub and walk-in tile shower with frameless glass doors. Get ready for late night movie nights in the upstairs media room with 4 recliners, 87 inches TV and mini fridge. 2 more bedrooms plus a office on second level. Enjoy evenings with family and friends on the covered back porch overlooking built-in sitting area with a fire pit.